You know what keeps me up at night? The fact that most condo buyers don't realize their dream unit's affordable price tag could come with maintenance fees higher than their car payment. Let me tell you about my client Sarah. She fell in love with this sleek downtown Vancouver unit, only to discover the Strata fees were double her monthly gym membership, and she hadn't set foot in the building's yoga studio once. Here's the kicker: those fees aren't just paying for someone to water the lobby ferns. Think snow removal that actually happens before noon, trash pickup that doesn't attract raccoon conventions, and oh yeah, that sweet, sweet reserve fund that saves you from selling a kidney when the roof needs replacing. I've seen buildings where 30 cents per square foot gets you basic upkeep, while others charge up to a full dollar for concierge services that'll sign for your packages while you're binge watching Netflix in Bali. Now, here's where it gets spicy. Older buildings, they're like that vintage car you inherited, charming but full of surprise repair bills. I showed a heritage unit last year where the maintenance fees included character building experiences, read weekly elevator breakdowns. Meanwhile, newer condos might have individual heat pumps, which sounds fancy until you realize you're now personally responsible for negotiating with your thermostat. Oh, and don't get me started on amenities. That rooftop infinity pool? You're paying for it even if you're allergic to chlorine. I once crunched the numbers for a client. Turns out their $2,000 annual strata fee for a golf simulator worked out to about $500 per swing. Here's the plot twist nobody tells you. Compared to freehold homes, condos can actually be cheaper long term. My buddy Dave owns a townhouse and dropped 10 grand last winter replacing windows. Meanwhile, my condo clients just check the reserve fund report. But hey, if you enjoy surprise roof repairs and bonding with landscapers at 7 a.m., be my guest. Final thought: always, and I mean always, read the strata docs. I've seen special assessments hit harder than a Vancouver rainstorm. Found a building last month where the reserve fund had less cash than my teenager's piggy bank. Yikes! If you want to avoid becoming the next special assessment horror story at dinner parties, do me a solid. Click that link below before the algorithm replaces me with a chatbot that thinks strata fees are a type of sushi. Like and subscribe, or I'll send you daily updates about basement suite regulations. You've been warned.